today we're going to be doing a little bit of a creek fishing, but right now I'm not at the creek. I'm actually going to be looking for some live bait, worms specifically. So we're up under the tree. There, I'm going to put them in that water bottle. And we're going to take the little rake here, flip some bricks, look for some worms. See if I can find any. I didn't even have to sit underneath the tree real quick. Dog's over here with me. Oh no, she got the water bottle. Oh shoot. Oh. There's a worm. It's not big enough though. Went down there the other day with small worms. Didn't get anything. Might not have been producing enough action. You never know. There's bugs. Where are the worms at? We'll get this bottle. Hey, Maggie, come here. Let me see that. Oh, dropped it again. Oh, hey guys. Dropped my phone. So, I'll get back with y'all when I find some worms. So, yeah, it took a really long time to find those worms. Wasn't happy about it. Sweat a lot somehow because it got really hot looking for it. So, you know, it's fine. I got a few little ones and one big one, which is probably could be catching on the fish, but I got them in a bag on my back. I guess backpack, I could have said. Which, yeah, who cares? Yeah, I'm walking there right now, so I'll catch up with you when I get there. We made it to the pond, finally. I've taken a few casts here already. I got stuck in the tree once. This is gonna, alright, don't roast me. Using a bait caster. This is gonna be a little bit tough. Oh snap, dude. We're bobbing. I'm also doing this one-handed. So, you know. Dude. What? 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 That thing was under, bro. That bobber went down. I mean, down, dude. My goodness, son. Nice cast. I didn't even check my worm. Probably ain't even got a worm on there anymore. That good, dude. I probably ain't even got a worm, dude. I'm just sitting here throwing it out and ain't no worm on it. Probably. Oh. Dude. That bobber is moving. They won't fully commit to it. I see this right now. They're not like fully committed to it, which is getting a little frustrating. Like, come on now. There's nothing on there. Shoot. Alright, bet we got another worm on now. With this worm, if I lose this worm, I'll be down to 1. That'll be the biggest worm in all of them. They take this one under. Are you, bro? Oh, the worm is gone. What? Okay, now. We'll put the biggest worm on here. This is gonna work, alright? I'm gonna sit y'all down right here real quick. Should be fine. Put the biggest worm on. I don't know, dude. This is my last worm. I don't understand. Like, I let them eat it. Like, I don't know. I just don't know, man. These worms are getting really annoying. I'll tell you that for sure. I mean, really annoying. I can split this one in half. It's that big. And I will split it in half. And it's still a little bit bigger than all the other worms that I had on. So this is going to work. I bet. Oh. Sorry, guys. Lift that back. Alright, let's see if we can get it. Alright, whatever. We got a lot of worm on this time. And the bag is off, so we're getting serious. We're getting serious, man. We're catching a fish. Dude, this is getting... I don't... Shoot. Hold on. Let me get a farther cast out there. I'm trying so hard not to drop my phone right now. We got it underneath the tree. Feel in the slack. It went under, dude. I'm letting them eat it. You are joking. Nah. This is a joke, right? This is a prank show. Where the hidden cameras at? This is a prank. This is stupid. Yes! 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 Oh, my brightness. Hold on. Oh, hold on. My bad, guys. Get that brightness down real quick. Yes, dude! Oh, my goodness. Yes! Yes! Oh, my bad, guys. I mean, we got him. We got one. I was about to stay. Y'all, I don't know if y'all heard my tone, bro, but I was getting angry. Put y'all down. One more time. Sorry if y'all got the water bottle and I was with it. Dude, yes. We got one. We got one, baby. Finally, bro. Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh, you probably couldn't see that. Thank you. Dude, I got one. Oh my gosh, yes. Dude, y'all not happy that makes me right now? Oh my god. Dude, I don't know if y'all heard me, but I was straight getting angry at fish. At a fish. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm getting a little bit of worm off. Sorry. see that bobber? Trying to get a good enough view for y'all, man. I'm sorry, cameraman, aka my brother, he ain't down here today. So I'm, doing this by myself until I get something to put my phone on my chest or a GoPro. Until then, got still a little bit on there. Yes, come on now. Come on, bro. Freaking take the freaking worm, dude. Oh my gosh. I swear, bro. Honestly, I don't. Oh, yes. 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 Please, bro. Are y'all just not hungry or something? These fish have mutated into non-hungry freaking fish. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I don't have a worm. Alright, bet. Well, guys, ooh, look at this beautiful creek. Well, so I caught one fish, and well, the worm was bobbing, it came off. Yada, 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 I go back to get the other half of the worm that I had cut off for later. The thing is gone. It escaped. It was not in my bottle. I don't know how half of a worm escaped from my bottle. That I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't even know. Yeah, whatever. I'm leaving. I caught one. Who cares? Get y'all good views. See something. At least see something beautiful. And me, but not to brag. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I don't know. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because that would be awesome. 100 subscribers, a limited merch giveaway. Not giveaway, but limited merch drop. I make a website or something. 100 subscribers, something cool to do. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, ladies and gentlemen.